Hello guys, this is HiTech Talk. So in this video we will talk about Instagram shadow ban. So what is Instagram shadow ban and what is the reason of being shadow ban in Instagram, and how can you check either your account is shadow banned or not, and the last thing is how to remove a shadow ban from your Instagram account. So this is my Instagram page. If you like, you can follow me over there. So whatever I am going to share, this is all about my experience that I am facing, and I'm using my Instagram pages from a long time. So let's get started. So what is Instagram shadow ban? So whenever you post something in Instagram, your post visibility will be limited. Like if you have posted anything, your post will be visible to only your followers. Your post will be not shown to any new people or any unfollowers who is not following you, or in the explore section, or in the hashtag, or in any Instagram search category. So your post will be shown to only your followers, that too not all your followers, only few percentage of your followers. So this is what Instagram shadow ban is. And what is the reason of getting shadow ban? So the first thing is, whenever your post is getting reported, so you are getting a warning like your post has been removed as you have not followed Instagram terms and conditions or Instagram guidelines. This can be a one reason, and the second one can be you are getting blocked. You are following a lots of people in a few in a certain period of time, and you are getting blocked. You are not able to follow someone, and you are getting blocked. You are commenting a lot and your comment is getting blocked. And also, the if you are using a same hashtag multiple times in each and every post, this can also be a reason of getting shadow ban in Instagram. So how can you check either your account is shadow banned or not? So for this, what you can do, you can post something in your Instagram and you can use a relevant unique hashtag, and you can ask your friends or someone, or else you can create any test account. So you have to click on the hashtag that you have posted. So once you click on the hashtag from that new account or from your friend's account, that post should be visible under that hashtag. So keep in mind that your account should be public wherever you are posting. So hashtag things work only in the public account. So whenever your friends or your testing account click on the hashtag, your post should appear in that hashtag section. So if it is not showing, means if your post is not visible in that hashtag section, it means your account is shadow banned. So you can check with 2 to 3 posts and you can get the result that your account is shadow banned or not. So the last one is how to remove a shadow ban from your Instagram account. So as I have already said, what all are the reason of being shadow banned. So you should stop getting your post reported, getting blocked, follow request block, comment block, or using same hashtag again and again. And the second thing is you can get a paid promotion from Instagram. So Instagram will increase the visibility of your profile, and also your post and your profile visibility will increase, and this will definitely help you to get back your account normal. This will help you to remove a shadow ban from your Instagram account. So thanks for watching this video, and if you find this video useful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.